Hi everyone. Today I'll show you how to download and install Telegram Desktop on your computer. First, open the Telegram website by clicking the link in the description below. Then, click on Get Telegram for Windows x64 or choose your operating system if you're using macOS or Linux. Wait for the download to finish. Once it's done, open your Downloads folder. Right-click on the Telegram setup file and select Run as Administrator. Click OK, then follow the instructions by clicking Next. Finally, click Install. Wait a few seconds for the installation to complete. Once done, click Finish. Telegram Desktop will open automatically. Now, click Start Messaging. You can log in using your phone number or scan the QR code from the Telegram app on your phone. And that's it! You've successfully installed Telegram Desktop on your computer. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks.